that we must give primary health care. Issues of illegal immigrations. I'm the MMC of health. I do not belong to Home Affairs. So if you have a crisis of needing to check how many foreigners are there, you cannot bring it to our doorstep. This is a clinic. We administer everyone and anything that is here with health issues. No, I want to be clear. So if you have issues of illegal immigrations, you must go to Home Affairs. Bring Home Affairs. Home Affairs knows what they need to do, not us as civilians, as public representatives. So no one, I'm saying no one, must ever come to the doorsteps of a clinic and say he's going to picket and is a mandate of any party. Here, our task is to ensure that everyone who arrives here receives the medical attention. If you have issues, you must go and lobby your political structures, parliament and everything, that no foreigners must not enter our public facilities. That's where we will get the mandate. But what you guys are doing is a human rights violation. What you guys are doing now, and I can call police and sort it out, because I know it's better if you are saying you are going to picket at a police station. There's no one who's coming with a life-threatening disease. Anyone who comes here has a life-threatening disease. Anyone. There's no one who wakes up in the morning just to go to a clinic because it's bored. There are squatter camps. That's where you should be locating them, not in our health facility.
Iyangidida kakhulu lento yabantu abafundile noma phecelezi ama-students. Siyeke abantu abafundile ama-academics. Ama-students avota ngo-elite evotela i-EFF. Ebe eyazi i-EFF ukuthi ithi ama-foreigner awangene khululeke eSouth Africa. Shockingly, uma sebeqedile ema-university kade bevotela i-EFF ngo-elite, sekufanele bebuye bezosebenza. They are struggling to get ilokhuzana i-employment ukuthi beqasheke nabo. Kanjani na? Awubuke nje othisha abaningi kade beshaya umgqiqo laphana, abaningi bahlele ekhaya. Abanye bashaya umgqiqo eMaritzburg bakhala ngokuqashwa, but kunezikole eziqashe othisha bokufika. Right? Okusho ukuthi ukuba uthisha is not a scarce skill. Kunodokotela abashaya umgqiqo laphana elokhuzaneni eMaritzburg ekomkhulu leKwaZulu Natal, kanjalo nekomkhulu la education. Abawuthola umsebenzi. Same people akade bevotela i-EFF bese ma-universities. Now, isho ukuthi ke lento ngisho noma ngathi ufundile, at some point iyakukhombisa nje ukuthi eSouth Africa khona ukudideka okukhona. Thina siyama-South Africans kufanele siyimele ngenyawo zethu, sidile nabantu bokufika decisively ukuze sikwazi ukuthi amathuba omsebenzi abekhona. Singalokho siyidida kwathina la. Masike sadila kahle nabo kufika, ila sizokwazi ukuthi khona amathuba omsebenzi ebekhona. Ngoba ngicapha nama-department amabili. Yabona nje kwa-health liyabhubha, education liyabhubha, noma ungaya kwamanye futhi liyabhubha nje. Kucacile ukuthi we had more than 25,000 wama-foreigners aqashiwe eSouth Africa. Othola ukuthi lo msebenzi ngabe ireservelwe thina. Mangibala lo 25,000 ngibala kuma-government institutions. So bafowethu, singayibukeli phansi lento, singayibuki kancane ngoba ayenzeki kwamanye amazwe. Awufice eMozambique, eLesotho, eBotswana abantu besebenza ku-government be ama-foreigners. In fact, kuyenzeka-ke kodwa kwamanye amazwe like aphesheya e-Europe, but kusuke ukuba uthishela suke kuyi-scarce skill kubona, ngoba you'll find ukuthi kuse-China, eChina isingisi asifundwa nhlobo. They believe ukuthi South African ne-English right, then bese bethatha i-South African. So kodwa laba abanye it's not a scarce skill, abahambe.
Ngeke mhlambe angifuni la kube ngazuthi ngigxeka mhlambe i-EFF, bengazuthi mhlambe ngiyazonda mhlambe uMalema noma mhlambe yini. Ngibuza ukuthi mina ama-South Africans aniboni yini ukuthi i-EFF is a big problem here in our country? Ngoba first, uyakhumbula kuyiZuma Masifole, i-EFF was there in front kodwa ithimela abantu bamkhipha uZuma. Namhlanje kunjani? I-EFF ithini? Kuyakhuluma ngendaba yaRamaphosa Masifole. Ngiyakhumbula ama-illegal foreigners lawa, ama-Pakistans and stuff, adayisela ukudla, iy'ngane ziyafa, ziyabhubha ey'koleni, everywhere basidayisela ukudla okune-poison. I-EFF yakhuluma lokho, yathula, khona abantu yabavulela amacala ngalokho. Namhlanje ivulela idudula icala ukuthi kwenzakaleni kuleya ngane. Yes, Gumbo kwenzakalelile, kodwa kanti la kulwelani? Angithi silwela izwe lethu la. Kanti i-EFF kungani njalo yona mekuzokhonsenda indaba yabantu bangaphandle, yona ihlala igijimela abantu bangaphandle phambili. uMalema usanda kumemezela la ukuthi uyazisola and u-ashamed ukuthi yena angazibiza as a South African, ngoba naku thina sithi abantu bangaphandle ababuyele emakubo laba abanganamaphepha, laba abathatha imisebenzi yobhuti bethu nemisebenzi yethu sihleli nala ebhedlela bangena kunamaphilisi aqedwa yibona, kodwa thina sithule. I-EFF is a big problem in our country. Everyone othi mina ngiyi-EFF ngicela azibuze ukuthi ulandela ini, nithanda ini, niyayazi policy i-EFF yini, umsebenzi wayo i-EFF. Singayiblema yes i-ANC vele ayisenzelanga lutho for 30 years, but i-EFF yini eyenzile for over 11 years, yini eyenzile, ngoba upeparizer lo muntu uhlele ebulala abantu abenza into right la South Africa. Kade qeda ukukhuluma ngomkhwanazi, manje la hayi umkhwanazi disi manje sesizwa yena ngeke sizwe ngomkhwanazi, kwasho kwacima kwavutha. uMalema is a big problem in our country as South Africa. Mhlazane kwaphathi i-EFF la eSouth Africa kuyodayiswa ngomzimba, iy'ngane zethu ziyodayisa ngomzimba nje, ngoba washo wathi umsebenzi ukudayisa ngomzimba. Mhlazane waphathi i-EFF la eSouth Africa kuyogcwala abantu bangaphandle, thina ama-South Africans ngeke size sibe nalutho. i-EFF iyathini ngo-DA, laba abasilimazayo, njengoba namhlanje bona bengomakhelwane benoRamaphosa. uRamaphosa uncoma i-DA uthi ngcono kune-ANC, just imagine. Bese yena uMalema uthi abantu bangaphandle la asingabaxoshi, uyazisola. Is here a South African, and ubaba uRamaphosa is here a South African.
Awume ngifunde naye comment yakho bafo. Ubhalela ubafo ukuthi but bafo le EFF ivule icala for i-foreigner bafo. Okay bafo, ngicela ukuchazela bafo. Lana ey'nsukwini mangikhumbula kahle, upresident wethu upresident uCyril Ramaphosa uke wakhuluma ekhuluma ey'ndabeni, ekhuluma lento le, wathi wonke umuntu ozobonakala ehlukumeza abantu noma evimba abantu ethi abakhipha ama-ID abangama-foreigner, abaxosha ngisho ey'ndaweni mhlampe zokuthola usizo njengamaklinikhi, enza leyo nto. Umuntu ozobenza leyo nto ushilo wathi ayikho emthethweni, kumele ngisho amaphoyisa ambophe leyo nto iyicala, kusho upresident wethu. Njengoba ke kulandela ekutheni lento ibisispread yonke indawo leyo ukuthi abantu kube nabantu abathile nabantu abaseqenjini leli Operation Dudula bengena emaklinikhi. Ngiyacabanga ububona ngisho ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana lapho khona abebeya emaklinikhi befica abantu kulayini belayinile, bebakhiphisa ama-ID, ma uyi-foreigner bekuxoshe ngisho kungathi ukhulelwe uzothola usizo lokuthi upregi, noma ngathi ufuna usizo olunjani, bebuke ma ukuthi awuyena umuntu ala eMzansi, bekujikise bekuxoshe irrespective whether you are illegally or legally bebexosha nje mawuyi-foreigner. So leyo nto leyo yande kakhulu ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana ngangokuthi ifinyelele ngisho emehlweni kapresident wethu uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Wayidiscourage-ke ngendlela eyisimanga, wazi wathi leyo nto iyicala, umuntu ongake bonakala enza leyo nto kumele aboshwe nokuboshwa. So i-EFF-ke ngicabanga ukuthi i-capitalize kulokho mayibona abantu abanye benza leyo nto, upresident eseshilo ukuthi leyo nto iyicala kodwa abantu bayaqhubeka bayenza. Yingakho-ke uthola ukuthi kunabantu ebavulele icala ngokuthi bahlukumeza abantu ngaleyo ndlela bethi ngoba abantu bangaphandle. So remember ke i-EFF ayifani mhlambe i-agenda ye-EFF noma i-policy ye-EFF isekutheni umuntu wala e-Africa we cannot discriminate umuntu wala e-Africa. I-policy ye-EFF ithi no to xenophobia. So whether umuntu ulegal noma illegal awukwazi ukuthi wena uyithathele umthetho umcwase ngaleyo ndlela. Mawukuthi u-illegal awulona iphoyisa wena futhi awusebenzi ka-Home Affairs, bakhona abantu ababekelwe ukwenza leyo nto ukuthi bengambopha makumele bembophe, bemdeport makumele bemdeport. Awukwazi ukuperpetrator i-hate ngokuthi ubonakala umshaya, ubonakala wenza nanoma yipi indlela ongenza ngayo. So le i-EFF vele i-standpoint se-EFF bayi-discourage yonke leyo nto leyo encike kwi-xenophobia. So ingakho-ke engicabanga ukuthi kwenza ukuthi bemvulele icala lowo muntu ngokuthi benza isenzo esikhombisa xenophobic. So that is why ngimvulele icala le. Ngizama ukucacisa leyo nto leyo, imvulele icala ngakho lokho ukuthi wenza isenzo sokuba xenophobic. Nami ngicabanga ukuthi ngingakwenza mangakhona umuntu engimbona ehlukumeza omunye umuntu, khona nje, okay, let me just say like this. Khona i-article engiyibonile kuFacebook, ingane encane ena 6 years something like that, idlwenguliwe, ingeyangaphandle, idlwenguliwe. Mabethi bayo-check-a lengane illegal immigrant, ayifanele ngisho ukuthi ngabi la eMzansi kodwa idlenguliwe. Mina ngesingami njengomuntu onabo ubuntu, irrespective ukuthi umuntu uyi-foreigner, ulegal noma u-illegal, kodwa lokho akumele ngabe kubulala ngisho the basic human rights yomuntu, whereby uyamshaya, wazi ukuthi ukumshaya kwakho kuvalid, akumele kubo uboshwe ngokuthi ushaye illegal immigrant. Mina ngesingami ngithi kumele uboshwe ngoba lapho you are now tampering with the basic human right yomuntu. So naleyo ngane edlwenguliwe, lo muntu kumele aboshwe. Leyo ukuthi i-illegal immigrant kuyodilwa nayo emveni kwalokho, kodwa into yokuqala ukuthi kuboshwe lowo muntu osenze into against the basic human rights yomuntu. Ngoba abantu ngisho ngathiwa nawe uya kuphi kwelinye izwe, akusho ukuthi kumele bakushaye, kumele bakwenza izinto ezithile. Ngisho ngathiwa awufanele ukuba kulelozwe, ngoba ekugcineni kosuku umuntu, lowo muntu lo mayenza into against the human right ukuthi uyenza kubani lokho, it's another part of the story, but into yokuqala ukuthi he has now violated against the human right of a human being. So ingakho ke EFF imvulela icala ngoba he was now violating the human right of a human being. So ingakhe bambophile, not ukuthi ngoba ngalokho kusho ukuthi EFF imele ama-illegal foreigners akukhona lokho, kodwa benze njani. Nawe buka ngisho umuntu ohlala ngakini esikhule yonke indawo la ihlala khona, sinabo abantu ebesibabiza ngamakwerekwere seyizingane, esibabiza ngamashangane. Uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi akekho registered la eMzansi, kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi usungathula ubona umuntu emngenele ebusuku emhlahla ngocelemba embulala bese uyayeka ukureporta kumaphoyisa ngokuthi uyekela ukuthi illegal la eMzansi, therefore kumele kuviolate i-human right yakhe. Akuhambi kanjalo. Nami nje mangakubona udlwengula i-foreigner ukuthi u-illegal ngingakureport emaphoyiseni, ngishe ngekho ngishe illegal ngakureport emaphoyiseni. Lokho ukuthi illegal sekuyobonakala day after, but ngingakureport emaphoyiseni. Ngisho ngathi uyamgebenga, ngisho ngathi wenzani, ngingakureport emaphoyiseni in the same way as ngingakureportela South African because lana ngisuke sengibukelela ukuthi is a human being, out of all is a human being. Okokuqala nje ubuntu bokuqala ukuthi ngibuka ukuthi it's a human being, wenza into embi or to another fellow human being, iyona nto oqala ke le before sibuka ukuthi uyi-foreign. So ne standpoint se-EFF usilapho sibuko kokuqala ukuthi these are the Africans before sibuke ekutheni ba-illegal noma ba-legal, but the first thing they are Africans. That's the standpoint of an bafowethu. Ake sikhulumeni nganayo indaba bafowethu. Nawe Mdolomba la ukhona bheki ungizwe kahle lento engiyikhulumayo. Angizami la ukuthi ngidefend iqembu noma iqembu le-EFF, kodwa asikhulumeni iqiniso nje, sikhulume iqiniso elimsulwa. Mawungahle ukhumbule ninake nibadala kunathi, mina nje ngikhule ngingakahlakaniphi kahle, mhlawumbe ngineminyaka ewu-5, 7 lapho ngikhule nje vele abantu bokufika bekhona la eMzansi, ngikhule nje kuvele kukanjalo. Selokwathi inhlo futhi ngendlela engazi ngayo abantu bokufika bebevele bekhona la eMzansi, abanye babe ney'ngane bekuvele kukanjalo nje bezalisa khona la eMzansi abantu bala eSouth Africa. Sikhule nje uthola ukuthi uma uyingane ubazi ngendlela ababizwa ngayo ngamakwerekwere, babizwa ngamashangane, bevele bekhona la eMzansi. Lento yokuthi babe khona la eMzansi ayifiki nge-EFF, futhi ababizwa i-EFF, ababizwa nge-EFF, bavele bakhona, bebevele bekhona since or before 1994, bebevele bekhona la eMzansi. Ingakho ngisho namadolobha kaze sinawo amadolobha amakhulu njengo-Johannesburg akhiwe vele, ngisho iy'mayini zakudala, ngisho uKimberley, iy'mayini zaseKimberley ze-Diamond beyivele kuyinhlanganisela yabantu bangaphandle nabantu bala eMzansi. Labantu bala eMzansi kababiziwe i-EFF, kodwa abantu nge-standpoint sikaMalema ukuthi asho isayidi lakhe, asho iview yakhe, asho indlela abona ngayo, sekumakhela isicwacwa kubantu bonke. Abanye bathi mabebona abantu bangaphandle la eMzansi bevele becabanga i-EFF, bevele becabanga uMalema. Bemcabanga wrong ngoba akaze abize umuntu, futhi uvele ubafice bevele bekhona abantu bangaphandle. So i-EFF ifonywe ngo-2013, abantu bangaphandle bebevele bekhona, bebevele be-exista la eMzansi. And then-ke size futhi la ngikhipha abantu kulento yokuthi uMalema khona into azoyibhenefitha ngabantu bangaphandle or what not. Istand sikaMalema njengoba ehlale esho ethi uyi-Pan-Africanist, ukuyimishini noma ukwi-agenda yokuthi enze a-One Africa la khona kungekho khona umuntu ozobe separatewa khona ngokwezwe lakhe la kule continent yase-Afrika. La khona ahlale esho khona ukuthi ufuna ukubona i-economy eyi-one yala e-Afrika emazweni about 53 or 55 amazwe akule continent. La khona afuna ukubona khona i-economy eyi-one ebhekwapha ama-minerals esinawo la e-Afrika. Efuna ukubona khona abantu behwebelana bodwa e-Afrika ngangokuthi whether i-USA iyaxhasa, whether i-France iyaxhasa, ayixhasi, kufane ngoba zobe sikwazi ukuzakhela umnotho wethu futhi sinama-resource uNkulunkulu asiphe wona anele angaphezulu komhlaba wonke ala e-Afrika. La khuluma khona uMalema ngokuthi sibe ne-army impi yethu ehlangene yala e-Afrika ezoba nkulu ngokwe-population okudlula impi yomhlaba wonke. Okuzokwenza lokhu i-Afrika ibe powerful than any country in the world. La khona okuzoba khona no-president oyi-one, la khona kuzohlangana khona amazwe, kube ukuthi iParliament eliyi-one, amazwe namazwe aletha ama-politician awo angama-leaders kodwa upresident uqokwa abe yi-one. Ileyo mindset noma ileyo mission i-EFF noma uMalema akuyona. Manje leyo mission iyodwa iyaphikisana nokuthi uMalema engaxosha abantu bala e-Afrika. Maye kwabaxosha noma wamelana nabo kusho ukuthi uyayiphikisa yena, ingakho engakwenzi lokho. Futhi-ke on top of that, kimi nje akuyenzi sense ngisho ngathiwa umlungu noma ngathiwa iNdiya noma ngathiwa iSulumane, as soon as usumbulala umuntu noma umshaya noma uviolator the basic right yalowo muntu, as soon as wenza lokho seku-wrong, irrespective ukuthi whether ulegally noma illegal, as soon as violator the basic human right of that person, wrong. Ileso standpoint. Manje ma ukuthi sikhuluma kanjena sithi ku-wrong ukuthi sibone umuntu eshaya omunye umuntu, ku-wrong ukubona umuntu eshisa omunye umuntu, ku-wrong ukubona umuntu exosha omunye umuntu ney'ngane usapha emkhiphe emzini wakhe ethi akayobona ukuthi uphila kuphi, angazi nokuthi uzolalaphi. Uma sithi ku-wrong lokho, ikhona ekumele sithukelwe khona abantu. I-right nileyo nto ngoba umuntu akushintshi ukuthi umuntu, ngishinja uyakhela indlu ilale endlini ngesimanje, ngisho iy'lwane ngisho iy'nkomo uzakhela isibaya, ngisho iy'mbuzi uzakhela uphahla, kodwa umuntu ufuna ukuthi alale phandle ayodliwa izilwane. Akusona isintu isakwantu leso, akubona ubuntu lobo-ke. Leyo nto ayihambisani nemvelo yethu yokuba ngabantu. Ma ubona nje umuntu eshawa ungafili lutho, ma ubona umuntu ebulawa ungafili lutho, ma ubona umuntu kwenziwa into e-unfair komunye umuntu ungafili lutho, kumele wazi ukuthi ubuntu kuwena sebahambile, sebuphelile. Kumele ufile, ngisho ngathiwa kushawa umlungu, ngisho ngathiwa kushawa isulumane ukuthi kwenziwa into errong ngomunye umuntu kumele kube khona umuzwa owuzwayo. So ilokho okumelwe i-EFF ngayo ukuthi imela amashanga noma imela amakwerekwere. Mangahle ngibuze nje i-EFF wakwayibona yakhela abantu bokufika izindlu ama-RDP, wakwayibonisa abantu bokufika ey'koleni ibafundisa ukuba ama-pilot, ukubafundisa ukuthini. Wakwayibona i-EFF ikhipha ama-food parcel iwakhiphela abantu bokufika. No, akukho kwakubona i-EFF ikwenzela abantu bangaphandle. Leso statement esithi imela abantu bangaphandle, lwela abantu bangaphandle, leso kumele abantu basemzansi besihoxise ngoba asilona iqiniso, sisetshenziswa imbangi zepolitiki amaqembu amanye amelene ne-EFF ukuyidiscredita noma ukuyidicampaign. Kodwa eqinisweni i-EFF konke la khona ekunenkinga khona umuntu wala emzansi ibonakala iyomlwela, iyolwa lapho. So bafowethu ake siyekeleni inzondo. Ngiyazi ukuthi uMalema mhlambe abaningi abamthandi personally, kodwa phela kumele siphinde sincike kuma-realities, sincike eqinisweni. Ungazondi umuntu uze umzondele ngisho entweni akangangeni kuyo. Akuyena uMalema ovula ibhoda obulala iy'ngcingo zebhoda, akuyena futhi uMalema obize abantu bangaphandle. Nanokuthi imisebenzi iqedwa abantu bangaphandle nokuthi ububha budalwa abantu bangaphandle, leyo nto leyo ayilona iqiniso ngoba ngisho ungaconducta your own research, ubala ama-state, ungene ema-restaurant, ungene emafemini, ungene kuphi uzothola ukuthi hayi khona imisebenzi iyalandulwa yikho, kodwa kukhona ukuthi ithathwe abantu bangaphandle. Mhlambe in scenarios there are few instances la khona ungathola khona umuntu wangaphandle kuwukuthi uyena ophethe umsebenzi. Funa kwalowo msebenzi uthola ukuthi umsebenzi ongathi shu, othola ukuthi ungawunqaba ngisho unganikwa wona. Ila khona esuke eqhashazwa kulandelwa i-cheap labor, kodwa abantu basemzansi babhaca ngaleyo nto. Manje leyo nto ilahla umkhondo, isibuyisele emuva, sibalekele iqiniso ukuxhashazwa ama-politician, bese siya la wiki ngakhona silwe nabantu bangaphandle abayihluphekele njengayo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So siyathola ukuthi i-EFF ithi yona ayi-protector abantu bokufika kule live lesibabita ngema-foreigners, but everyone is allowed ukuthi aye eklinikhi or isibhedlela yothola tinsita wrong land Operation Tudula, and they even opened a case for Operation Tudula. So some are siding with the EFF, saying what they are doing, it's a good thing. Some are even saying ma South Africans afune kwenda ngazuthi EFF ibite benboqhamuka la South Africa banboqhamuka kutsala bakhona la South Africa. And some people are saying as South African, we should really be careful of EFF. People are saying we should really be careful of EFF because EFF is defending foreigners. So please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.